There is a profound beauty in a world that has decided to rest. When the mist clings to the hills and the rain turns the landscape into a living watercolor, it's nature's way of telling us to come home. Leaving the damp air behind, you step into a sanctuary where every corner tells a story of comfort. It's the transition from the wild to the warm, a shedding of the day's weight at the doorstep. The air here is different. It's thick with the scent of simmering herbs and fresh rain hitting the stone walls. In this kitchen, there is no rush, only the slow dance of firelight and the quiet promise of a meal made with intention. We often forget that doing nothing is an art form. To watch the rain race down the glass, to feel the weight of a heavy quilt, or to simply share a quiet moment with a companion who knows the value of silence. This is where the soul breathes. True luxury isn't found in the fast or the loud. It's found in the steam rising from a hot bath and the simple joy of a hearty plate shared by candlelight. It's a return to the basics, to the things that truly sustain us. As the evening deepens, we write our own piece. We capture these small, fleeting moments of gratitude before they slip away into the night. May your heart find its own quiet cottage today. Thank you for being here. Stay cozy.